Hello everyone, take these hair accessories. Now take your hairs and make it into a ponytail with the help of a hair accessories and attach it all together nicely. Now it will look like this and it's done. For the next one, take the ponytail and try to attach it with the given rubber band as it will look like this and it's all done. For the next one, take the ponytail, roll it nicely till the top and attach it with the help of a clutcher and it's done. For the next one in the video, make a ponytail and then make two sections out of it. Pull out this section and then attach it on the top with the help of a hair clip or the clutcher and it's all done. Now take the remaining hairs, attach it on top. For the next one in the video, take the half hairs and try to make it into a bun with the help of a bun maker and repeat the process as shown in the video. It will look like a half bun and it's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and do it as shown in the video. Repeat each and every process until it will start looking like this. Pull out the hairs, it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs, pull it and attach it with the clutcher. It's done. For the next one in the video, make a ponytail and then take the smaller sections of the ponytail and start braiding it very nicely and gently. Repeat the whole process till the bottom until it covers the hair. Now do it nicely and then tie it with the help of a rubber band and it's all done. It is looking great, right? For the next one in the video, make a ponytail and then with the help of a bun stick, start rolling your hair very nicely and then make it into a cute little bun. Attach it very nicely and take the remaining hairs, attach it with the help of a hair clip or the hairband and it's done. Thanks for watching.